The benefits of installing solar. Energy prices are on the rise all over the world, but particularly in the UK, where a lack of investment in renewable energy has left the country vulnerable to volatile energy markets. However, consumers can take control and reduce their dependence on traditional energy sources by switching to solar energy. Solar panels have become a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint and energy bills. In this video, we will discuss the many benefits of installing solar panels for your home, including cost savings, increased home value, environmental benefits, easy maintenance, and tax credits and incentives. Cost savings. One of the biggest benefits of installing solar panels is the significant cost savings you can achieve. Solar panels generate electricity from the sun, which means you will be able to reduce or even eliminate your monthly electricity bill. The exact amount you will save will depend on your specific energy usage and the amount of solar panels you install, but many homeowners are able to save hundreds of dollars each year. Increased home value. Installing solar panels can also increase the value of your home. Studies have shown that homes with solar panels sell faster and for a higher price than those without. This is because solar panels are becoming increasingly popular and desirable to buyers who are looking for energy-efficient homes. The added value of your home can make solar panels a wise investment in addition to saving you money on your energy bills. Environmental benefits. In addition to the financial benefits, installing solar panels also has a positive impact on the environment. Solar panels generate clean, renewable energy that does not produce harmful emissions or pollutants. This means that by installing solar panels, you are reducing your carbon footprint and helping to combat climate change. Easy maintenance. Solar panels are very low maintenance and require little to no upkeep. They are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, and they typically come with a warranty that covers any potential repairs. In most cases, you can expect your solar panels to last 25 to 30 years with minimal maintenance required. This makes solar panels a practical and cost-effective solution for homeowners who want to reduce their energy costs and be more environmentally responsible. Tax credits and incentives. Many governments offer tax credits and incentives to homeowners who install solar panels. These can include tax rebates, grants, and other financial incentives that can help offset the cost of installation. These incentives are designed to encourage homeowners to make the switch to clean, renewable energy, and they can make the investment in solar panels more affordable. The benefits of installing solar panels for your home. A comprehensive guide. Professional installation. When installing solar panels, it is important to choose a professional and experienced installer. A professional installer will ensure that your panels are installed correctly, and that they are connected to your electrical system in a safe and efficient manner. This will help ensure that you get the maximum benefit from your investment in solar panels, and that you can enjoy the many benefits of clean, renewable energy for years to come. We have provided a link in the description to an installer comparison site. Conclusion. Installing solar panels for your home is a smart investment that can provide many benefits, both financial and environmental. By reducing your energy costs, increasing the value of your home, reducing your carbon footprint, providing easy maintenance, and potentially offering tax credits and incentives, you can enjoy the many benefits of solar panels for years to come. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more money-making ideas.